If you're trying to create your own weight loss workout but don't know where to start, take a cue from these 10 best exercises for weight loss at home. Hey viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live healthy lifestyle. Exercise is essential for overall health, but when you're trying to lose weight it becomes even more important. If you're aiming to lose weight without the gym, you can rely on the best exercises to do at home to lose weight. These good home exercises to lose weight double as strength moves that'll get your heart rate up and work on functional movement skills. Meaning, they'll protect you from injury and help you perform tasks more efficiently in your everyday life. Before moving on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification, so that you don't miss any of our videos. String these moves together for the indicated sets and reps to create a circuit workout, or add them individually to routines you already love. 1. Forward lunge. There are many variations to the lunge, but the classic forward lunge is still very effective for weight loss, as it works multiple muscles at once. Try to do 3 sets 10 reps per side. 2. Burpee. This exercise effectively targets your core, chest, and legs simultaneously. Feel the burn and know you're building lots of lean muscle. Try to do 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. 3. Squat. Squats are one of the best exercises for weight loss and for building overall strength. When you do them correctly, you engage your core and entire lower body. Try doing 3 sets 15 reps. We have already made video on benefits of doing squats. Watch it here. 4. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are an excellent way to burn calories. The quick leg motion targets obliques, butt, and hamstrings. Try doing 3 sets repeating for a minute. 5. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a great total body tool made for weight loss. Challenge yourself to complete a full minute of jumping. Check the length of the jump rope by holding it in each hand and ensuring the handles line up with shoulders. Try doing 3 sets each, for a minute. 6. Kettlebell swing. Kettlebells are very effective when used for weight loss because they engage the entire body. They're low impact yet high intensity, hence ideal for calorie burn. If you're not ready for an overhead swing, stop the bell at shoulder height and let it swing back down between legs. Do 3 sets with 15 reps. 7. Double jump. Take your traditional squats up a notch by incorporating a jump and lunge. The movement will increase your heart rate and you'll feel the burn in your abs, butt, and legs. Do 2 sets repeating 45 seconds. So viewers, how did you like the video? Comment below. Stay tuned to Fitnify for more health and fitness information videos.